today I'm going to see the Nutcracker ballet and I'm very excited. So the plan today, I'm pretty much filming a day in my life. So yeah, I am getting ready, just did my hair. I don't think it did the piece of hair worked out. That's fine, I'm gonna use my hair straightener. That's fine. But yeah, I need to go get ready, dress up because I need to go to work. I work this morning. So I go home at noon, eat, and pretty much finish getting ready. And then I'm gonna go see the Nutcracker ballet again. I am so freaking excited. I've been wanting to go for so long again. This year I made a goal to go back again. I finally found a day, since I'm always working and the hours and the day are not really matching my schedule. But today it is and I'm so excited. I booked it, I saw it, I booked it, and I'm ready to go. I booked my tickets 2 days ago. I was trying to figure out the day, since my schedule, I was just working in the morning today, if they had a place near me where they were playing in a good hour. So I booked it. Anyways, I'm so freaking excited. Also to dress up and everything. I know what I'm gonna wear. It's gonna be so cute. So yeah, you're pretty much spending the day with me going to the Nutcracker ballet. So yeah. Hi angels. So I just finished work and one of my coworkers, she's literally the sweetest, and she wanted to make me a drink before I left. So I chose a chai latte, and it is so sweet, literally. So I'm drinking it. It smells so good. So yeah, that was literally the sweetest thing. So yeah, let's go home. Another coffee. This is probably my 4th cup of coffee today. But anyways, I'm trying to redo my curls. At the bottom they were gray, they stayed on, but this piece, we're trying it again because it didn't work. It was really straight. So if it's not working again, I'm just gonna use my straightener at this point and try to make it a curl, and it's maybe not gonna stay anyways. But I am getting ready and let me show you the dress. So that's my dress. It is so beautiful. I got this early this year. I think everyone got this dress in Zara when it got out, honestly. It is so beautiful and I've never really had the chance to wear it. So I think I'm going to wear this with a very cute kind of like crop top. I'm going to show you cardigan, white, and I think I'm going to wear these shoes. We're going to try that because these are quite creamy and not fully white, so we'll see how that's gonna go. But yeah, we're going to try this outfit and see if it does look good. So first I want to do this. I think I have time and I want to do this. So I have this, I mean you saw it in another vlog, but I want to put other dresses on here. I still don't know which ones. I have these nightgowns, but I do wear them. I think you should literally take the whole wall because I have more of these. Okay, so I have literally 2 left. Let me get the hammer. So I should put like right here. So So the two I have are white and then cream like the other ones, but I think it looks that bad because the cream now right here and the whites are right here. So, and I can see my beautiful and gowns all the time. I think it looks great. Or is it too much? I don't know. For now, it's kind of cute. We'll see. So I'm just going to change right now. So I'm sure that we're good to go for the outfit. Some perfume. My perfume of the moment is Poison Girl by Dior, and does very smell really nice. It's usually my night time when I go out perfume, but I don't have any daytime perfume at the moment, so I'm just using this one. But it smells so fruity, vanilla. I don't even know. It smells very nice. Also, I thrifted these. How cute are they? They're very heavy. I must not lose them. I feel like I'm going to lose it. I'm scared. Let's go. Okay, so I'm leaving now. I'm not wearing heels because I'm driving, and driving with heels is not the best. So yeah, let's go. So excited. Okay, so I just arrived. I just parked, and it's starting in 40 minutes, so I should be on time. Then now I have to change shoes and wear my heels, and we're ready to go. I hope I have enough storage. I did delete a few videos, but I should be fine. This is not gonna happen like the concert of Melanie Martinez. This is gonna be crazy if that does happen again. But anyways, let's go. I'm so excited. Okay, so I just finished and I just got to my car. I'm taking my shoes off so I can drive. And I'm also going to get food. I want to get fries. It's been so long since I haven't got any fries. So I want fries. And yeah, it's already 8. I have pretty much an hour and a half to drive home, so I'm not gonna be home early. I'm gonna be home late. And yeah, why not get food? Because I'm pretty hungry. So yeah. Anyways, I need to get out of this parking lot. There's so many people. But yeah, it was beautiful. What I love about it is just the dresses, the decor, and everything is just so amazing. And of course, the orchestra was amazing. So yeah, I'm very happy. So happy.